Hello guys, welcome back to Speak Real Arabic. This is Anas. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 of the most useful phrases in the Levantine dialect. These phrases are used in multiple occasions and in everyday life. And they give the impression that the person who's speaking these phrases is a local. So, let's get started. Let's say you are in a restaurant and the waiter brought you something, a dish or a dessert or anything. In order to show your gratitude to them, you would say something like يسلم إيديك. This phrase is actually used to address the male waiter. Now, if you are to say that to a female waitress, you would say يسلم إيديكي. يسلم إيديكي. So this is one of the use cases. It can actually be said to anybody who brings you anything. So let's say that if your son or your friend brings you something, like if you ask them, please bring me a cup of water. So they do that, and then you would say in response, يسلم إيديك, or يسلم إيديكي for a female. Now, the common response to that phrase is Allah يسلمك. Allah يسلمك. This is for a male. If you're a female, they would say Allah يسلمك. Allah يسلمك. The second phrase on the list is, what do you think? The translation of this one in Levantine is شو رأيك? This is for male. For female, we say شو رأيك? So, let's say that one of your friends asks you to go and play a game of basketball. So they would say شو رأيك? نروح نلعب كرة سلة. Now, if the person is addressing a female, they would say شو رأيك نروح نلعب كرة سلة. Notice how there is a subtle difference in the ya sound found in the word رأيك. So for male, if you'd like to address a male, as we said earlier, you would say شو رأيك. Now for female, you would say شو رأيك. Now, one of the many correct responses to that phrase is, or to that question in this case is ليش لا, which means why not? If you are on the phone with someone and they said something you didn't catch, so the polite way to ask them to repeat what they said is that I'm afraid I didn't get that one. Can you please come again? Now, in Arabic or in Levantine, you would say something like ما فهمت عليك. ما فهمت عليك. Now, if you're addressing someone, a male person, you would say ما فهمت عليك. But if you are addressing a female, you would say ما فهمت عليكي. ما فهمت عليكي. This one is very necessary, especially if you find yourself in an Arab country and you would like to ask someone a favor. So let's say you are on the street and you'd like to ask somebody to bring you something or to tell you about your destination. So you would tell them like من بعد إذنك, which means would you please? If the person that you're talking to is a male person, you would say من بعد إذنك. If that person is a female, you would say من بعد إذنك. من بعد إذنك. This phrase is very polite, and it is used especially if the person that you're talking to is someone that you don't know. And it gives the impression that you are a very polite and a respectful person. If you are in the middle of a conversation with someone and you find yourself needing to shift the focus of the conversation into another topic, you would say something like, by the way. In order to say by the way in Levantine dialect, you would say على فكرة. على فكرة. So, you're having a conversation with someone, and in the middle of that conversation you say على فكرة. Then, after that, you can use that as a segue in order to speak about a different topic in mind. This next one is used when you have a quarrel with someone and you would like to say, I'm sorry. This one is used especially if the person that you're talking to is a close friend or a relative or a family member. This phrase has two purposes. The first one is, you're sorry, okay? And the second one is your willingness to end that disagreement. So you would say, حقك علي. حقك علي. The literal translation of that word or that phrase is your right is upon me, something like that. But of course, it means in Levantine that you are right and I'm sorry. If you are addressing a male, you would say حقك علي. But if you are addressing a female, you would say حقك علي. حقك علي. This next one is very specific, and it actually is only and exclusively used by the male community, so to speak. It is a way to greet someone. So you would say كيفك يا حبيب. كيفك يا حبيب. Which means, of course, how are you? This is a very informal way of addressing someone. and is actually used most of the time between close friends. If you were addressing, let's say, a CEO of a certain company, you wouldn't actually be addressing them this way. So instead of saying كيفك يا حبيب, you would say something like كيفكن. كيفكن. The same word here is used in the plural form, كيفكن. And it actually gives the impression that the person that you're talking to is a very respectful person. So in general, this is a very, very respectful and formal way of addressing someone. Now, if you have a close friend, someone that you have been with for a very long time, and you suddenly just don't hear from them, the first time you see them you say وين غلطت? وين غلطت? Again, this is an expression used to address a male person. In order to address a female, you would say وين غلطة? وين غلطة? Now again, this is very informal. This is not a formal way of addressing someone. So unless they are a very close friend to you, someone that you know for a very long time, then you use this word. Now, in order to follow that with long time no see, in Levantine language of course, you would say something like وين غلطت? إلنا زمان ما شفناك. This is if you are addressing a male person. If addressing a female person, you would say وين غلطة? إلنا زمان ما شفناكي. If you would like to get a lot of natural conversation in the form of audio and video material, then you can check out our website, Speak Real Arabic. I'll make sure to leave its link in the description down below. So, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, a thumbs up would be massively helpful. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next one.